In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Bitcoin transfer not working, step by step. If your Bitcoin transfer in Venmo isn't going through, the most common culprits are an out-of-date app or a minor app glitch. We'll start by updating the app, then I'll show you a clean way to refresh Venmo on your iPhone without losing your data. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search tab, type Venmo and open the app's page. If you see an update button, tap it. Keeping Venmo up to date is crucial because new releases often include bug fixes and improvements for crypto features, including transfers to and from your wallet. Let the update finish, then relaunch Venmo and try your Bitcoin transfer again. Sometimes this alone resolves errors like stuck transactions, failed submissions, or unexpected error messages tied to older app versions. If updating doesn't do the trick, the next solution is to refresh Venmo from your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, then tap General. From there, tap iPhone Storage. This may take a moment to load as your device calculates storage. Scroll down the list of apps and select Venmo. On the Venmo app screen, choose Offload App. Confirm by tapping Offload App again. Offloading removes the app itself but keeps its documents and data on your device, which helps clear out cached files and minor corruption without deleting your stored information. This is different from deleting the app, which would remove all app data. Offloading is a safer reset when you want to preserve your info. Once the offload completes, tap Reinstall App on the same screen. Your iPhone will download the latest available version and reconnect it with your existing app data. When the reinstall finishes, open Venmo. You may be prompted to sign in or sign up again. Make sure you have your login details ready and complete any security verification prompts. This fresh start often clears issues that block crypto actions, including Bitcoin transfers that fail to initiate or confirm. After you're back in, try the Bitcoin transfer once more. Updating ensures you're on the latest build with fixes in place, and offloading with a reinstall refreshes the app environment without wiping your stored data. Together, these two methods resolve most app-related problems behind transfers not working. Take your time with each step, let the update or reinstall fully complete, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Venmo Bitcoin transfer working smoothly again.